This is one of the most profitable trading strategy you are ever going to find on YouTube. Now, I'm going to walk you from A to Z how I'm able to generate over 400% in profit just trading this technique on Bybit. Stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to be showing you some amazing tips that will take you off the hook. Let's go, guys. This is RD USDT, and as you can see clearly, we are definitely in an uptrend, right? I'm making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and of course, I'm making higher lows. So the progression of this trend is towards the upside. Now, we want to make an analysis on this. And if you can see this right now, it means you are opportune to go into this trade with us, with my community on Bybit. I drop signals only for my Bybit subscribers through me, and they make consistent profits every single time. So if you want to actually join the group, it's free. You get signals every single day to flip your portfolio. It's free. The link is in the description of this video. So first things first, let's identify where the current break of structure is happening and where and what caused this break of structure. So we can clearly see that this other block is what caused this break of structure. This is a brilliant trade to take right now. All right. Now, this is the 1 day time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours and see what exactly it is looking like. I'm going to break it down for you. All right, I'm going to break it real down for you. So as you can see in the 4-hour time frame, we've made a complete break of structure. Made a complete break of structure from here. I'm just going to call this BOS. I'm going to call that BOS right now. And then after the break of structure, something else happened. Can you see that we're making consecutive points here? Can you see this? Now, price came back, we tested, and all of that. All of these points here that you can see here, okay, all of these points, this is basically all of these areas here. These are what we call inducements. Okay, these are inducements. Now, inducement in the market creates liquidity. Inducement in market what creates liquidity. Now, when you say inducement, it is actually a form of getting retail traders to hurriedly enter into the market. Now, as a retail trader, if you see this formation, if you see price bouncing from here, definitely you're going to put your stop loss somewhere here, thinking price wants to continue the uptrend. But that's a big lie. Okay, because the major break of structure is coming from this area. It's coming from this area. All right, that's where the major break of structure is coming from. You can see this. Now, all of these points here, they are what? Inducements, trying to what? Make you believe that price wants to react and continue the uptrend. So you putting your stop loss here, you're already creating liquidity. Liquidity in the market means is a pool of stop losses. That is what we call liquidity in the market. I teach all of these things in my group. You can just quickly join. The link is in the description of this video so that you get enlightened on how these things work. It's very easy and simple. So after the liquidity, I'm going to put this in dollars. Now, after this liquidity has been swept off, let me just take all of these guys out. Immediately, this liquidity is swept off. You can see how it was swept through this line. Price broke through it. And then guess what? It came to tap into what? This other block. Now, here is going to be our other block. Now, why would this point be called our other block? Why do you think this point is going to be called our other block? Now, it's very easy and simple. The rule of order block says that there must be a sweep of liquidity. All right, there must be a sweep of liquidity, and it must create a big fair value gap. So you can see we have a lot of fair value gaps here. Okay. And then there must be a sweep of liquidity. Look at this sweep of liquidity. It happened here. You can see price swept liquidity, went back up again. So we're going to put liquidity here. I'm just going to do that right now. And then the next thing price is going to do, price is going to what? Come back again to tap into this other block. It's going to come back to what? Tap into this other block. Put this one here. It's going to tap into the other block and also create another liquidity. Now, you can see how price swept liquidity from here and made a break of structure. Can you see this? Made a break of structure. So we're going to call this BOS. And we're going to put our liquidity somewhere around here. We could call that our change of character. It all depends. A break of structure is a change of character is also a break of structure. But it's just that the character is being changed from a bearish scenario to a bullish scenario. So how about change of character? Now price is going to come back again to mitigate this area. Okay, to somehow mitigate this area. If it doesn't, then it solely means that price has what? Filled this imbalance right here and it is ready to move. Either ways, it is correct. Okay, it means price has filled this imbalance and it has enough momentum now to move. Imbalance means fair value gap. So guys, for this trade setup, right, this particular trade setup, our target is going to be the extreme here. It's going to be this extreme. So let's see how much we are targeting. I gave this signal in my VIP community. I'm going to be dropping similar setups like this for only Bybit traders who trade with me. So you want to get into my community, create a new Bybit account. The link is in the description of this video. Send me your email. And if you already have an existing Bybit, you can convert it to my own link. All right, you can convert it and trade under me directly. So you'll be getting all these signals for free, guys. You can do that. So we're going to be targeting here, and we're having 74% profit awaiting us. Like this is just amazing, guys. This is totally amazing. If you can see this video right now, stop into this trade, put your stop loss somewhere below this region. Yeah, just put your stop loss somewhere around here and you are safe. Just stop loss somewhere around here. Stop loss. And Viola, you are good to go. Target here. Target here is our extreme swing target. All right, guys. That is it. One love. Peace out to you. Keep making this money with me. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Let's go.